morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope you're doing well. It's obviously been a while, but I'm glad to be here. Nonetheless, I was almost not going to film today. I had decided, but I pushed myself because I knew that if I didn't film today, I there's no way that I'm gonna get back to this. So, and I really want to get back to this. So pushed myself and now I feel so much better about it. Anyway, how was your Diwali? I hope you had a great time with your friends and family and you had a good break from work. Today is Monday of all Mondays, which means I'm getting back to work after 9 days of Diwali holidays, which is crazy. And I'm in no way ready for that. But such is life. My Diwali was amazing. My parents were here for almost a week and it was an amazing time. We did so many activities, we had yummy food, spent quality time with each other, and now we're back to reality. As you saw, I got up late in the morning. I wanted to take it slow. Got up, made some breakfast, did a bit of chores here and there, made some coffee, and now I'm having my coffee. Breakfast was sourdough toast and some scrambled eggs. Today's either going to be a very manic Monday or a very mild Monday, depending on the workload. I already have some work lined up for today, so I'm guessing it's going to be a manic Monday. I'm going to get back to work. I'm going to finish my coffee and I'll see you in some time. So I'm back from my walk. Decided to go in the evening instead of morning because I was running a little late in the morning, and it was a good decision actually because it's really windy and cool downstairs because it keeps raining during the day, which is crazy because it's the end of October, almost November, and it's still raining. I'm gonna have some dinner and then just chill for the rest of the night because I have very less footage from today. I didn't film after morning during the day, so I don't think this will be a very interesting vlog. So I'm going to continue vlogging. I'm going to definitely vlog tomorrow. Whether I make it a weekly vlog depends. If I have enough footage, I'll make it a 2 or 3 days vlog, but I think I'm over explaining myself. But yes, I'm going to continue vlogging tomorrow, but for today I'm going to end it here. I'll see you tomorrow. Hello, it's 3 p.m. right now. I got some orders delivered from Nika. It's great that they deliver in 2 hours nowadays, but it's also so dangerous. But I was out of some products and I thought I'll order it and I'll show it to you in some time. Um, but I'm having an exceptionally slow day today, so I'm obviously watching the series finale. I think it's the series finale of Only Murders in the Building. Well, this whole season is so boring. Nothing has happened so far. I'm about 20% into the final episode, and even now nothing has happened. There's been no twist, no revelations, nothing. I honestly think they should have ended the series after 3 seasons. But yeah, I am craving shows like this, detective shows, horror, murder mystery, thriller, suspense. It's my favorite genre, I think. There are a couple of shows that I rewatch every year during this time of the year, in October, November, December season, because of the exceptional vibes that they give. One of them is the Haunting series on Netflix. It's The Haunting of Hill House and The Haunting of Bly Manor. Both of them amazing. I love the ambience, love the storyline, love the spookiness, love the characters. Even though they are horror shows, I love the vibe. I feel very cozy watching them. Another show that I rewatch is called Lockwood and Co. It's a series. It got cancelled after first season, which is a shame because I love that series. It has an amazing magic system. The characters are really nice. The storyline is amazing. It's obviously based on a novel. I wish they had continued with it. Again, very cozy vibes. Has a bit of supernatural element to it. But yeah, sad that it got cancelled. Another show that I rewatch is called um, Dead Boy Detectives. Very similar to Lockwood and Co, but with different magic elements, different spooky vibes. Again, set in somewhere in England. I'm not sure. Again, has a supernatural element to it, murder mystery kind of an element to it. I watched The Residents last year, which I really loved. Again, murder mystery detective, but it got cancelled after one season, which is again a shame. But unlike the other two series that I mentioned, this one gets a closure at the end of season one. The whole season was based on one murder mystery. So at the end of the season, you get to know who's the killer. So it's something you can definitely watch. Also love the Nancy Drew series on Hotstar, I want to say. Has a supernatural element to it that makes it even more interesting. Based in a small town, colorful characters, interesting storylines, very different from the Nancy Drew books that we grew up reading. I'm currently watching this show called Ghosts. It's an ongoing series. The latest season has just come out, and it's not spooky. It has a supernatural element, but not spooky. It's a situational comedy. Definitely something that you can watch, on the side while working. Very light on the brain. Yeah, but I love the vibes. So these are some of my recommendations. I don't know how it turned into a recommendation, segment here. Anyway, I'll show you the products I got. This is the best sunscreen. I logged off from work. My cook Didi has not come today, so I'm gonna be making some dinner. I thought I would make this for dinner. This is dried fish, yes, dried prawns specifically. It's called sukat jhinga in Marathi, and to be honest, it's one of my favorite things to have. I prefer this over fresh fish. It's hard to come by this in Pune, so my mom usually either gives me or gets it for me from Mumbai whenever she visits, and I need to use this up before it goes bad. So yes, I'm gonna make that, and to go along with it, I'm gonna make some hot fulkas. Also have some dal and rice in the fridge, so it's gonna be very homely, wholesome food. Which is what I enjoy the most. To make this, I first need to dry roast it, and then I need to wash it thoroughly in water, and then the usual tomato, onion, ka masala. Dinner was so good. The bhaji turned out really nice. It's an acquired taste. Not everybody will love it. Oh, I finished the last episode of Only Murders in the Building. I was so wrong. It is not series finale. It was not a series finale. There's gonna be another season, which is why it's absolutely unnecessary. I realized it only because of the way it ended. There is going to be another season apparently. I don't know why I thought that this was the end of the whole series. It is crazy that the most interesting part of the whole series, not the series, the season, was the last 1 minute where they revealed who is murdered and who's going to be the subject of next season. And that's when I realized that, oh, it's not over. There's gonna be more of this. This is the Dot and Key Milky Toner Essence. This is what it looks like. I thought I would get a new toner this time instead of the Tony Moly. Not that there's anything wrong with it, I just didn't feel like spending so much money. This is the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. This is the one I use usually. This or the Aqualogica 5 Plus Barrier Repair one. This is the Individual Dewy Lip Treatment in Masala Chai. I wish I had gotten the clear one because this doesn't even show up on me. But I like the formula. It's really thick as well. I do see a difference in my lip texture in the morning. I think I do have enough clip to make this into a vlog because I'm not sure I'll continue vlogging for the entire week. It is a lot of work and I have to consciously make an effort to do it. And I don't know how the rest of the week is going to be. So I think I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like videos like this, cozy, comforting videos where nothing really happens, you just love following around someone in their day-to-day life, then you're in the right place. Please consider subscribing if you already haven't. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. I'll see you again next time. Bye.